Here she is! The bride. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is such an exciting one. It is my best friend's hen weekend. So, as you'd have seen in the clip before, she just arrived and we've just been getting ready for the past 2 hours. Showered, got ready, done hair and makeup. And now it is time to go and start this vlog. So yeah, she has no idea what we're doing, where we're going. So it's a weekend full of surprises for her. But yeah, I'm going to bring you guys along and you can see what we get up to all weekend. And I just really wanted to document this for the memes. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Your little chariot awaits. That was Mum's idea. We're nearly there.
It's not the day off, the weekend as we mean to go on. Yeah, that's it.
Yes, start the weekend off right.
I've had a drink.
Oh, is it a cork? Is it a popper?
Yeah.
Oh, Sean needs to pop it then.
I know, but I gotta get the wire off. Here you go, Shani.
Go on, Shani.
Oh my god, these go everywhere when I do it now.
No, it's not going to. Go on.
Thank
Can't
you.
have champagne.
Oh, it's a little
Chocolate, thank you.
Go on, have your first sip. Cheers.
Here's to a very happy long marriage.
Woo.
And all the best.
Thank you.
And to a great weekend.
To a fabulous weekend. We are literally...
He's drinking water.
We're 27 minutes away, so not long to go.
Yeah.
How you feeling?
I'm excited now.
Yeah, Sean literally knows like zero, really. She knows what like outfit she needed to bring, basically. But other than that, she knows zero. So everything's going to unfold as you guys see it as well, because obviously we've got to be careful what we say in front of her as well. But yeah, let's go. So we are literally 3 minutes away, it says. How you feeling?
Let's in!
Baby horn, baby horn.
Woo! She has arrived!
I can't see anything yet!
She has arrived!
Oh, look at that! Oh my god! Short! Oh!
How amazing!
Oh my god! Oh, this is amazing! Why don't I feel like I'm gonna cry?
Don't cry!
Your mum said that.
Oh,
you
don't
couldn't
cry! Look at it!
It's already
Look at it! Come on, let's go! Let's go and see everyone!
I can't wait to go down.
I know, when we're all drunk.
Crying.
Oh, look at the
There's a hot tub!
Oh my god, it's like a full blown bar. I freaking love it.
Oh, a games room!
Shut the fuck up. I
Oh my god! Wow!
am right now.
Oh my god, this is amazing.
Tennis courts.
What? In the morning?
Oh, when you walk down here on sensors, so don't worry about when it's dark.
Oh my god. This is unreal.
Look at the pool.
Oh my god, look at this place.
This is insane.
Wow.
Oh look, there's the tennis courts.
Oh my god, I can't wait to play tennis.
You actually wanting to play tennis?
Yeah, I really want to play tennis.
Balloons. Oh yeah, if you have a look at the lovely balloons upstairs.
Why is it off?
They are.
Part of your early to go and get them blown up. The R was a fucking K. I don't know where the key is. It's around here somewhere. So we improvised. I love it.
Oh, that's so good.
That is incredible. It's amazing.
Oh, wow. Oh my gosh.
Penis.
Oh.
You've both got something in there. So that's obviously yours.
Oh my god.
So get changed
Cry.
and get ready. Our bride to be. Cheers to you.
Oh my god. So we're all dressed, we're all ready. I'm in my little cowgirl outfit. I've just brought the rest of the stuff in from the car. But yeah, I'm gonna quickly show you around the house a little bit. I don't think I'll be able to walk around the whole thing because it will take me ages. So this is the living room. Oh look, there's the bride, look at her. And there's the groom. Let's go, girls. But yeah, this house is just incredible. So this is the little hallway bit. Welcome to Sean's hen party. Little welcome drinks. And then you walk through here and this is the dining space, the little decks. It is honestly incredible here. And then all of the little photos that you saw earlier. So cute. Wave to the vlog! And then you go up the stairs. And then obviously you've got the bride balloons, which you would have seen earlier. Sorry, doing the vlog. And then there's a little bathroom. The rooms are just so huge. And then this is the bride and my room. Which you'd have seen earlier, which is so cute. I love it. I love the fact that we've got these mirrors as well. Here's my full cowgirl outfit. You see it better in the mirror. I love the boots. And we've got an ensuite as well, which is stunning. Look at the corner toilet. But yeah, lovely walk-in shower. And then there's this massive landing with obviously everyone else's rooms as well. But yeah, incredible.
Jordan and Caitlin for organising this amazing place. I'm glad I lent you it for the weekend. I want it tidied before I move back in on Monday. Ruth and Sally, you have done amazing with the food. And everybody else that's here, you know what, we're all here for the same reason. We love Sean, okay, she's a bit of a legend. As Sean's mum, I am genuinely excited and emotional and all the rest of it. So, from me to each and every one of you, and some of you have never met any of us before, and it was really a daunting experience, and I was nervous. Yeah. And I know I'm not the only one that was nervous. Thank you to each and every one of you for coming to Sean's amazing weekend. I love you all, even those of you that I don't know.
To Sean and Ben! So, we're looking fabulous. I look a bit like we're looking amazing. It's currently 1:30 in the morning and we are now just got in bed. So yeah, we're signing off for today. Oh god, my face is so red. But yeah, how was your night?
It was really good. It was great.
Plan tomorrow is like the hot tub. We've got a really nice breakfast. And then more surprises for you.
I was waiting for you to say.
No, I wasn't going to ruin it. But yeah, right, we're signing off now because I look like a right egg. Night.
Peace and love.
It's morning time. Good morning. Morning guys, so it is officially Saturday morning on the hen do. We have had breakfast, as you'd have seen. We've had our like morning cups of coffee and tea and our like little morning catch up, which was really sweet. We've just come upstairs, got ready, brushed teeth, and now we're dressed. So I've got my little Team Bride jumper on, and we are gonna go and play a game of tennis because there is actually tennis courts here, which I'll be able to show you a little bit more. I can't remember what I filmed yesterday. I think you'd have seen them yesterday maybe. But yeah, so we're going to go and have a game of tennis and then go in the hot tub. And yeah, that is the plan. And then we'll be getting ready to go out tonight. Sean does know what we're doing now, so we are going to the Alchemist in Leeds and doing a cocktail masterclass. And then we're going to have some food as well. And then we're going to stay out in Leeds for a few hours and then get a taxi back here later and carry on partying at the house. But yeah, for now, we're going to go and play a game of tennis. You got one? Yay!
I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely. You found somebody better than me to take care of your insecurities. You did it all while leaving me in the dark. I try so hard to be what you need. If you're into the finer things, well, maybe we should let that.
She's ready. Show me cowboy boots. Woo! Yeah, we're all ready. This is what I'm wearing. Obviously, Sean's in white. We're all in black, but we've gone for the cowgirl hats again today because you wanted to, didn't you?
Yeah, living out my cowgirl dream.
Exactly that. So yeah, I've got my cowboy boots on. Cowgirl boots, should I say. Again. But yeah, let's go. Oh, look at the little sash. Very cute. Yeah, you decided against the veil. You've worn the veil today, haven't you? And then going for the sash and the hat, because I think all three would have just been a bit too much. But you look gorge. let's go party.
Yeah, okay. All right, then.
My friends, when they told me not to, they said you're nothing but a one-night stand. Trip to Candyland. If you get too close, then you might understand. But now my heart's on my sleeve and I'm in too deep. But you're not thinking twice about me. I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying how I feel if you only knew. We wrote down every old cliche, a four-letter word in 100 ways, and reality hit me in the face. 'Cause I feel so stupid.
It's now time for food. I've just took my hat off for a little bit of a break, but I'll show you what we've got. That's Megan. So me and Sean are sharing halloumi, onion rings and some chips. You having the best time?
Is my baby, and when she is buried, I thank her. Outside it is winter, but here it is summer.
Should've listened to my friends when they told me not to. They said you're nothing but a one-night stand. Trip to Candy.
Oh my gosh, how cute. Are you ready for your final surprise, Shawnee?
Yes. Oh,
Thank you.
your voice has gone squeaky. Awkward because there's so many eyes on. Oh, this is amazing. Thank you.
We've just had to do all of these for Sean, which is would you rather questions, advice and wishes, guessing the dress, and then letters for the bride. Nice break. All of us are home from the best weekend. It has been so good, so tiring. It is now a few days later. It is currently Tuesday evening that I'm just finishing off this vlog. Oh my gosh, we got back Sunday and I was absolutely shattered. I literally had a shower, got in my PJs, had some food, and then it was like straight to bed for me. And then obviously back to work Monday morning. So I've not had chance to finish off this vlog, but I had the best weekend ever. Sean, I really do hope you had the best weekend too. It was incredible. Jordan, Caitlin and Ruth all did such an incredible job for the weekend and organising it all and everything. Yeah, it was just amazing and it went so well. But yeah, I really do hope you enjoyed this vlog and celebrating with us. I'm so happy I vlogged it, and it's just a really nice core memory for Sean to remember, and she can always have this video for as well. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know.